uh, it's a little bit late because if I am talking on the ethics, then I have to follow some traffic rules also. So when I come in there, so there were a lot of rush in between the crowd. Okay, friends, uh, last Sunday I was in the IIT seminars, and actually we reached little bit late, and there I think Dr. Karan Singh, the member of parliament, the lecture was not there. Instead of Dr. Sopori, the vice chancellor of Jawaharlal Nehru University, he was talking on the science and ethics. And I was sitting in the balcony, and on that day, on that moment, I decided I will talk in the youth forum for just 10 minutes on the science and ethics, because it is totally related to with me. Because Professor Sopori is also working on the molecular biology in agriculture. So I'm also in that same field. So I will talk on this ethics and science and ethics. First, I will tell you what the things they told us. They said that the ethics are very important from the scientist. The ethics is a demand of society from the scientist. Many of us are thinking that the scientists are emotionless. He is hardworking, alone sitting in the lab, having that crazy hairstyle and everything. But there are a lot of scientists, the group of scientists I can say, or even the mob of scientists are present. They are emotions. They have also emotions. That's why we are developing. That's why we have the certain things which is need to transfer into for the societal development. I can give you one example: the Green Revolution from my agriculture field. When we got the freedom from the British rule, the situation was the worst situation. Whatever the wheat, biscuits, and everything, the food items they are going to feed to the dogs and their cats, they are going to export us. That is called as one of the project called PL 450, 450, 458, 480, sorry. So that project was where the Nehruji was insisting to the agriculture scientists that you do something. We want something that we are today the wheat importer country, we need to now transfer our country to the wheat exporter country. And you know what happened? This is the ethics I'm telling you. This is the feeling. This is the righteous feeling in the Swami plus MS Swaminathan. And I'm definitely, MS Swaminathan has quoted in one lecture that Swami Vivekananda was the first man who recognized the food, who recognized the importance of food, hunger in this country. So on the same line, the ethics means it's nothing but it's a feeling of rightness. And in the science, it's very, very important. Today, many of the news come up. Many of the news, about publications. I also face a lot of problems about the publications. There are some second authors, third authors, and there was a lot of criteria that are still going on. The debate is going on. But we need to study the ethics. By heart, we should be scientists. Whether you are by your outside nature, you will be an engineer, but by heart, you must be scientist. You must be ethical scientist. So, what I am talking about, the Dr. Professor Sopori, he was talking on the new concept. New concept means just now we are hearing about the internet. So now the coming concept is coming as a brainnet. BrainNet means it will be very faster internet communication. It does not require even device to capture the wavelength and everything. It will so something is with you, and you will be able to observe everything. So the BrainNet concept is going on. Human intelligence, the mapping of human brain. On this, the Chinese are working, but again the problems of ethical questions are coming up. Whether this type of research or the investment, the money is going to invest into such research, have some ethical output or not. So he described very well. He described the scientist and spiritual master. Scientists discover the creator of the creator, but the spiritual master is discovered directly the creator. So whatever the God has been created, suppose God created one plant, and I discovered the plant that is a plant having certain genes and everything. But the spiritual master, the gurus, Sadguru, these pupils directly discover the God who has created the plant. So this is the relation between the spiritual master and the science he has very, very well described. Another thing he described, there is a 10% information is there, but 90% knowledge is there. So in that knowledge, values and ethics, these are embedded. Values and ethics never be teach, never be. They should not be taught by anyone, because they are already inherent within us. By the parent, genetically they are transferred within us. So what we want, just to Vivekananda say, that awakening that values. This is very important. The values are need to be awakened. So if I am working on certain field and I'm doing some research on certain field, whether it has implications in the society, whether he is working on implications. A lot of debates my friends are going on, because I am working on the same field, because BT Brinjal, you heard everything news are coming on, but the scientist does not have dare to come up on the stage and they say that this is BT Brinjal is safe or not safe. Why? Because of only the question of ethics are coming. Only some pressures who, not I cannot say like this, but this is the ethical questions, means the feeling to right. Certain things are going wrong, so how I can control myself on the right path. This is the what I heard, and I feel is that as an agriculture scientist, as I'm appointed as an agriculture scientist, I need to follow the ethics, whatever it may be. I want to, whether I'm going to go in anywhere, in any research professions or any on the another areas, I have to follow my ethics. I have to follow my truthness. I have to follow my values in whatever the moment we are. So today I came here. So you give me the time. So actually the puja is going on. So I'm again coming back, return back to the